My brownie. Brownie baby, cutie, cutie. Look at this dog. He wants to eat also. No.
Brownie, go down.
You go down.
Go down.
You go down. Brownie. Mild side. Mild side, mild side. Yummy, yummy. You go down, Brownie. What? I just took this. Chicken feet. Cucumber salad. Spare ribs. Cute, brownie, cute. Spare ribs. Good. Corn good. Mixture powder. Ganda upuan ni Brownie ay Brownie Baby. Ito ang flat. Chini flat at Brownie. Oh, Leo. Ang strengin. Wawa man Leo. Pinaglakad na yun. Leo. Unti-unten. Ha? Brownie. Leo. Vienna, baby. Our dogs. Our lovely dogs. Ha? Brownie? Ganda ng upo ni Brownie ba? Ah, Leo, I said. Leo. And this is Brownie. Dolly? Santos, a Mexican restaurant. Nuevo en la cocina. I hate tacos. Say no one ever. Comida callejera, Mexican street food. Ano yung kakainin ko? Dice, tostadas de camarón. Ah, basta hipon na merong, ang tawag nito? Avocado puree at saka kani. Vegan. Wine. Tamarind, maracuya, lemongrass. Cerveza. Wine. Cafe and tea. Happy Aura. Yes! Dankeschön. Wow! Danke. Wow! Vielen Dank! Ich bin nämlich Bloggerin. Okay. Merci. Gracias. In Mexico habla Español, oder?
No,
Okay. Syrian. Okay. Piniritong saging. Masarap. Basil. Basil. Good. Ano nga yung supe mo? Taga sa akin, hindi. Yung isang klase, na? So, I'm having my soup. It's so good. Tortillas?
burrito.
Burrito. ¿Qué pollo? Burrito with rice.
Jeder schaut gut essen. Ihr schaut zu mir, dann zu den zwei und dann wieder zu mir. Und so.
Look, at tortillas ko. Ipon na ganun naman. Yes. Tumutuno. Homemade tortillas. Yun. Gusto ka? Ano brownie? Dito. Iyo. Iyo. Hindi bila. Look at Leo dito. What? What? That's Leo.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go out.
He's so cute.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Here we go. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
Good. Tapos talaga siya sa kabilang bahay mo na yung dito. Was ist das für Soße?
Das ist ja diese Soße, die man immer zum Fleisch isst.
Walang mango. Sriracha.
Die Sascha ruft mich an. Ich so, was gibt's? Und er so, was ist das für ein?
Warte.